What makes Reliable Realty Property Management different is I've actually been a landlord for over 20 years. And I understand firsthand the stresses and the day-to-day issues that can happen with property management. And so we treat every client of ours like they're our own properties. We offer an extra service that most property management companies don't offer, which is a 10% peace of mind program, where we guarantee rent on the first of the month so people can sleep well at night. It's been a nice program and eases the owner's mind. My ultimate goal is to take the hassle out of property management for our owners so they can enjoy their lives, and ultimately so they can sleep at night, because it can be stressful if you don't know what you're doing, especially with the new laws in California. It's really critical to have an understanding about how to manage a property. So it is our goal to have that knowledge and exercise that knowledge daily with our clients and their properties, and make sure that they have no stress and no worry whatsoever when it comes to their property management. We work really hard to protect their investment. If you're currently trying to decide whether you want to use property management or not, and you're trying to make that decision on your own today, just go ahead and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you and let you know what we have to offer to ease your peace of mind so that we can take the hassle out of property management for you.